Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to do the same operation as we did before, this operation using sensitivity list. I'm going to make it as simple as possible. In sensitivity list, what we don't need this wait on statement. That's the difference. Now let's see how it's going to be. Let's erase all these things and continue right here. So here what I'm going to do first is if statement count up is equal to count down. Okay, let's execute and make this one clear so we can see what's happening. Okay, now count up is equal to count down, then report process a jackpot and end if wait on count up count down end process count up count down is begin if count up is equal to count down, then report process B jackpot. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, there are some errors showing up. Let's see what's that. Entity test benches, end entity, architecture sim of test benches, signal count up, integer is equal to 0, signal count down, integer is equal to 10, begin process begin, count up is less than or equal to count up, count down is okay, wait for 10 nanosecond, end process is begin, and if count up is equal to count down, then report process a jackpot, and if wait on count up, this is the sensitivity list, count up, wait on count up count down, this is the sensitivity list, and then end process, actually this is the next one is sensitivity list, count the bracket process count up count down is begin. Okay, then if count up is equal to count down, then report process B jackpot. Okay, I had to put end if statement, that's the thing that's missing, end if. Okay, let's run this one. Now you can see it has been executed, and here we have a delay time of 40 nanosecond because it counts the last wait on time, so that's why that's not a surprise, and it's printed out project A jackpot, project B jackpot. That's what we expected, and that's how we create a process with a sensitivity list in Vhdl. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn Vhdl programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.